Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2019 Volvo XC90 with the 2.0. We're doing a cabin filter today. This little panel will come down. We got two T25 Torx that hold it up, and then a little clip connector right there to gain access. See this little twist pin right here? You're going to twist it that way. Another one back here, twist it like that, and then up front there's a little clip, kind of hard to see it right there. You're going to unclip it and then pull down like yay. There's our cabinet filter. There's the new one. This is one of those bend shapes and stuff like that, so you see how it just kind of sits in the trough. There's that little clip I was telling you about right there. So going back in, not too much of an issue. The back half one, if you can get one clip, you don't have to worry about the back one, but there is another one back there on that side. But this one's easier when you're pulling it off and stuff to take it off that way. But roughly just take out the old one, put the new one in, make sure it does go in the same direction as far as the airflow, and then going back in. Push it up high enough, and then clip that one, push up, and then that's it. And then put your little bottom panel back on, and away you go. They recommend to have these replaced, I believe, about every 30,000 miles, but I do it about once a year based off of where you live. Here in Atlanta, we have really nasty pollen season, so yeah, good idea to do these things about once a year, because they start to look nasty. Any questions, comments, feel free to let me know. Like and subscribe. 2019 Volvo XC90, doing the oil change maintenance reminder reset. So this one has start knob right here, so I'll walk you through this procedure. I've already done it on this one, but it should still say the same procedure and stuff. All right, close all your doors, do not press on the brake pedal. Turn it into the start position. Everything comes on the dash. Press and hold your negative, which is for the decreased cruise control. Press and hold, then start the vehicle. Keep pressing and hold it until the maintenance reminder light comes on. It'll be a little red or orange eye, and it will start flashing. Once it starts flashing, let go. Maintenance reminder reset. So repeat. Turn it into the start position, but do not start the car. Press and hold the negative side or the slowing down for the cruise control. Press and hold it. Press on the brake, start the car. Watch for the little eye that points right there in the middle for the information. It'll take about 10 seconds. Once it starts flashing, let go of the cruise control, and it'll say maintenance reminder reset. Any questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.